Layla opens slowly a wooden big box. She pulls a glowing golden book from the box. The book floats. She is filled with amazement. Suddenly, a swirling tunnel of rainbows, pulling her and her teddy bear into another world. Layla gently lands in a gigantic library. Books float in the air, and lamps hover. The wise owl bows politely and says, "Welcome to the exciting world." A shiny silver knight stumbles out of a storybook, looking clumsy and a little lost. Layla holds the knight's hand and smiles warmly while clutching her teddy bear. Layla and the knight walk through the golden doorway. Layla feels excited when she sees beautiful flowers and butterflies fluttering around them. Soon, they arrive at the edge of a dark, mysterious forest. In the forest, a squirrel holds a lamp and points the way. There is a large cave with rainbow crystals glowing at the entrance. Layla points toward the entrance. Inside the cave, the light casts funny shadows on the walls. A small dragon is trapped under the rocks. He looks sad. Layla and the knight push the rocks off the dragon. The little dragon is free now. The giant storybook floats above the ground. Then they go back to the library. The wise old owl is waiting for them. The knight and dragon wave at Layla as the book cover begins to close slowly. They miss her. Layla is back in her own bed with her teddy bear in her arm. Her book lies quietly on her bed.
Maybe courage is part of my story too.